Hello everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to fix Outlook or Hotmail if it's not receiving emails. First, check your internet connection. Make sure Wi-Fi or mobile data is working by testing another app. If it works fine, your internet is good. Next, check your sync settings. Pull down the notification panel, swipe across, and make sure sync is turned on. If that doesn't solve it, update the Outlook app. Open the Play Store or App Store, search for Microsoft Outlook, and tap Update if available. Still not working? Long press the Outlook app. Go to App Info, tap Force Stop, then go to Storage and clear cache. If needed, also clear data and log back in. That's it. Your Outlook or Hotmail should now receive emails again. If you found this video helpful, hit like, subscribe, and ring the bell for more quick fixes. Thanks for watching.